everybody. Guess what we're doing?
Yay! I don't know what this is. I'm kind of scared of it.
Me and Kench, you're gonna play Huniepop. Yay!
Yay! That's a questioning yay. I'm not sure what this will be.
Alright, do you want to start as male or start as female?
It's completely up to you.
Let's go with male.
Dear God, Zero, what have you done?
I don't know.
Hi there.
Randomly at the bar.
What? Who, me? Hi, hello?
Hello? Is anybody home?
No.
I think I'm
Wow. Way to pop the question.
That's the winning quest. That's the winning response.
But, you know, I want to keep my options open. But I don't want to be awkward at the same time. Sure. Falls to the wall, yeah.
I know, right? It's crazy.
Wow.
My name is Q. Nice to meet
Someone's
you.
vain.
Q?
I literally can't remember my name right now.
I literally don't know.
Right. We'll try that again later. Look, dude, are you gonna be alright? Looks like you're having some trouble holding it together over there.
Nah, I'm chill. I'm chill. I'm fine.
That's a fat load of shit and you know it.
Oh, okay.
She's vain. She's vain. Flatter her.
Okay.
Oh god, did you just say that? Is this
Yep.
happening?
Yes, it's happening.
Wait.
It's happening.
You know what? This might actually work. Yeah. Oh man, this is your lucky day, buddy.
Hey,
Listen, I gotta go,
Told you.
but we'll meet again real soon. Trust me. Night!
Always trust in the Kenshi.
Go ahead and increase your mic volume a little bit. I think this is gonna come out really loud. Your bedroom.
Hey
Whoa.
you, rise
What?
and shine. We've got work to do.
Alright.
What kind of work are we doing?
I said get up.
It wasn't a really good dream. But screw you, 5 more minutes.
No way, dude.
Zero.
No time to waste.
I'm calling the police!
Zero.
Chill out for a second. You'll be glad
I don't know what's
showed up.
happening right now.
Don't
I
you
don't know
recognize
either.
this adorable
What is this game?
face?
I
It's
don't-
Q from the bar.
Why are you not wearing pants?
Clever disguise, right?
Okay.
I can change my hair any color I want. It's pretty sweet.
It's called hair
If
dye.
you can't tell by now, I'm a fairy. Well, a love fairy to be exact.
Alright. Sure.
Okay.
Be questioning. Questions. I want answers.
What is a love fairy?
Good question. I'm glad you asked.
It is a
You
good
see,
question.
as a
I'm
love
brilliant
fairy,
like that.
it's my job to help poor saps like you out with the ladies. It's
Hey,
just
I'm not a poor
what
sap.
I do.
So you're
I
here to
don't
get
like
me
to
laid.
brag, but I'll have you know
Apparently.
I have a very
I'm
impressive
all
track
for
record.
that.
And you have
All
no
my
pants.
previous clients are
I'm all for that
basically
too.
walking babe magnets now. You, though. Let's just say you will be my greatest accomplishment yet.
That's, it kinda crushes my reality. What's in it for you?
Yeah, what's in it for you?
Man, you and all the questions. Can't a fairy just help a brother out? We need to get started
This
right
brother doesn't
away.
need your
Tell
help.
me, how many dates
mean-
have you been on?
I'm fine. I don't know about you.
I'm not fine, actually. I mean, you know, an
An amount.
Oh my god, it's worse than I thought, isn't it?
An amount.
Alright, grab your shit. We're going on a date right now. Someone has to show you the ropes. I know a place nearby that's open pretty late. You'll love it.
Is
Or
it-
not,
is it
I
a
don't care.
super joint? I feel like it is. Sunday night in your bedroom. Sunday night in your outdoor lounge.
Alright, I'll try to make this click.
What?
This is the date grid. These little pieces are called tokens. You earn affection by matching 3 or more of the circular tokens horizontally or vertically. For a successful date, you have to fill the affection meter before you run out of moves. Go ahead, give it a shot. Match those orange ones with the crescent shape in the middle of the grid.
Alright.
Yay!
See? Easy.
Oh, she felt that.
Each of the 4 types of affection tokens.
Particular
The
trait.
orange ones represent romance, blue is talent, green is flirtation, and red is sexuality. Pay attention to which trait your date prefers. It'll go a long way. Of course,
Move the red one
matching
at the
4 or
bottom.
5
That's what I was gonna
will
say.
get you even more affection. I'll show you. Match those 4 sexuality tokens in the
I know.
Yay.
Sweet. Okay, what's next? Oh, right. Let me cover the other token types real quick. The pink hearts are passion tokens. Matching those will raise your date's passion level.
Okay.
The higher
so
her
pink
passion
and
level
red.
is, the more affection you'll earn. The gold bells are joy tokens. You'll get an extra move by matching those. Very useful. The broken heart tokens are bad news. Seriously, avoid matching those as best you can.
Okay.
Finally, the teardrops are sentiment tokens. Matching those gives you, well, sentiment.
Okay.
You need sentiment in order to use date gifts. And seeing as how you don't have any date gifts, I'm guessing I need to explain that too.
Yeah.
Here, I'll hook you up with one of mine. It's on the house.
Oh.
Like I said, you'll need sentiment to use
broken heart
it.
tokens into
So
passion.
go ahead and match those 3 sentiment tokens in the leftmost column, the teardrops.
Yeah. Yay.
Okay, now go ahead
all
and give
wet.
that date gift to me.
The teardrops. I mean.
Yeah, sure, that was what you meant. Here's your bareback.
Cool, huh? There are like a ton of different date gifts that you can get too. They each have a unique effect on the date and can be extremely useful in combination.
What is this, Super Buster move?
Oh,
I don't know.
and thanks to a little fairy magic, you'll never
The
actually
amount of
lose
research
them.
I did on this game
So you
is
can use them on
less
your
than
next
0.
date too. Cool
Ah.
or what?
Shut up!
Alright, I've gone on long
right
enough.
now.
I'll let you finish up the date so you can get the hang of it. Oh, and don't worry, I won't let you fail this one. I'm not that mean.
Alright.
I don't need your pity.
I can do this all by myself. I'm a big man. More red. And there we go. More red. And I'm a natural.
Yeah. Way to go.
Alright.
Yeah. What the This is odd.
What? More red.
All the red. Red is the most important thing.
It's the most important color out of all. This is fun. Just hitting her with all my affection. Yay!
Yay. You slayed.
Money! We got money!
Nice!
Money.
See, I knew you
Is that
had it
actual
in ya.
money or is it just like...
Yeah, it's money.
got-
It's like $1,000 up.
But
So
it's spelled wrong.
it's Mooney.
It's... Okay, sure.
Oh shit!
Why are you still in my house,
It's
woman?
morning already? We are way behind schedule.
You're potty
Okay,
mouth.
check it out. I have one last thing to give you, and this is
I'm
important.
into that.
Introducing the latest in Love Fairy technology, the Honeybee 4.0.
You got the honey.
The Honeybee
It's a
is an
phone.
essential
like a
lifeline for any
BlackBerry.
player on the go. It automatically registers the info of new girls you meet and can even track their location.
That's
You can organize your
stalktastic.
inventory, buy new gifts, upgrade your traits. It's awesome. We don't have time to go over every feature, but you're a
Alright.
big boy. You can figure it out.
I'm a big boy.
To access the
Yeah,
Honeybee,
you've already
all
told
you
us
have
that.
to do is right-click at pretty much any time. Or, if you're weird, you can use that button at the top of the screen.
I'm a
Go-
weirdo. I'm a weirdo.
Yeah, you are.
Alright. Ooh.
Alright.
Okay. That's a special item. I think that might be part of a quest or something.
This is the other thing. Tissues or other various...
Other various bodily fluids.
Goes with the magazine, I guess.
So I am a horrible person.
Okay,
Normal,
great.
person.
I think that's it for now. Let's get out there and talk to some broads.
Talk to some broads.
Or
Hell yeah, let's do this shit.
or chill here and play video games.
That's what we're doing right now.
That's
I'm not
what I
ready.
like to
Please
hear.
don't make me do this.
Now, if you want to meet a hot chick, you gotta go where the hot chicks are. I've done some scouting and I have a few
sounds
ideas of
logical.
where to start. It depends what type of girls you're into. We can check out the university, the mall, the gym, the park, or the nearby cafe. What'll it be?
Jim.
Choices.
Jim.
You sure?
Why the fuck not? You have any better ideas?
I go to a university.
Whatever, it's up to you. You're the one with the mouse, brother.
Okay,
All I
let's go to
can
the
do is-
gym. Sure.
All I
right.
can do is offer my input.
Let's go see somebody who's physically
Good
fit.
choice, rookie. Couldn't have picked it better myself. All
Yeah,
right, ready?
damn right.
Should have
you
Get
said
your
that no
game
matter which
face
choice
on.
you picked.
Doesn't matter. I'll just take that as a boost to my ego. It's necessary.
This is nice music. Dun, dun.
Yo, I didn't expect to see you here today, Tiffany.
Yeah, my English lit class was canceled. Trying to make good use of the time.
Yeah.
Hey, listen.
Lit cancel. Who needs school when there's a
watching
gym?
Philip the other day.
School's
I know
for
it was
suckers.
last minute.
No, don't even mention
So
it.
we got
I'd love to hang out with
we've
Billy.
got twin
He's my
tails
little
with
buddy.
no
Did he give
tsundere.
you any trouble?
Nope, like an angel.
An
Red
angel?
as well.
Are you
There's a
sure
lot of red
you
on
were
that
watching
outfit.
the right
A lot of
kid?
red,
No tsundere.
twin tails, but she's not tsundere.
I know I still
don't know
owe
that
you
yet.
two, so don't worry. I should be getting
gonna
my
find
paycheck
out.
tomorrow.
I think.
I won't hear of it. I was more than happy to
She's
help
so
out.
nice.
Nonsense.
We don't know that
I'm
yet.
Not taking
We
no
don't
for
know
an
that.
answer.
You're right.
Late.
She might be a horrible person.
Have
All
a good
tsunderes
workout.
are nice to people that aren't the main
Hey,
character.
get back here. This isn't over.
Or most of them are. A lot of them
Man,
are.
will you get a load of these two? I'd kill to have tits like that.
Okay.
Oh yeah, don't worry. They
That's why I
can't
came to
see
the
or hear
gym.
me.
Very
I'm
lady.
just a figment of your imagination. Plot twist.
Wait,
Nah,
you're a figment of my
I'm crazy
imagination?
real.
Does that mean
I
that
just
I'm
hid myself
crazy?
from everyone so I
No,
can
she's
give
just
you advice
just
on
gonna
the
make yourself
sideline.
invisible. So
This chick is
prefer the
clearly
first
out of
option
your
more.
league, but there may be hope. She's probably looking for a decent guy because of that baby mama drama.
baby
So
mama drama.
just try not
What?
to be
All
an
right.
ass for like 5 minutes. Oh, she's looking over this way.
You're going to be an
Showtime.
ass for like 5 minutes.
I'm hoping to go for
Hey,
the
are
harem
you finished
ending.
with that machine? I have one
There's
set
a
left to
harem
jam
ending.
out.
There has to be.
I was trying to look cool. I don't even know what this machine does.
Oh god. Why not?
It worked. You look wicked cool.
Yeah!
There you go.
That's not a good choice.
The third one. Third one. You got to.
Really? OMG!
None of them
I've
were
done
good.
a couple of local commercials, but I never thought I'd be recognized.
That's
You must
right.
be new here. I don't think
There you
we've met
go.
before,
'Cause
right?
none of those other ones look
I
like they
like to
would
think
work.
I know all the regulars here on a first-name basis. You could say I'm a little obsessed with this place, I guess.
You're creeping
My
me
name's
out now.
Kiana.
That's
Why, you
okay,
see me
dear.
more
You gotta,
often?
I gotta work on that 6-pack too. I understand
She's been
completely.
added to my honeybee. Look forward to it. Because
Yeah,
these
go.
options suck.
Yeah, they do.
Great. I'm counting on it. Oh, dude, you know what?
I kind of wanted you
You
to pick
have to
3
try one of
just
the
to see
yoga
what
classes
happened,
they
but
do
no,
here.
don't do
The
that.
instructor
Oh,
is
yoga.
awesome. I think
Yes.
you'd dig it. If you like being in a room with a bunch of sweaty girls, that is.
That's okay. I'm fine with that.
No,
I'm
wait.
sure you are.
You did
Yoga.
it! Well, with my help, of course.
You did
I
nothing.
gotta admit, I did not expect you to pull that off.
You just said to not
Beginner's
be a jerk.
luck. Don't let it go to your
Zero's
head.
not a jerk.
By the way,
I
that
am a
other
jerk,
chick
though,
that was here
which
just
kind
a
of made
second
that a
ago,
fight worth fighting.
Since she was in range, the honeybee started tracking her location too.
Okay,
So
that's kind
after
of
you're
creepy.
done here
You
with
can stalk
this
her now.
girl,
Sweet.
you can go catch up with her too. Just bust out the honeybee and check out the girl finder screen. I'm pumped. You pumped? Yeah, you're pumped. Go
Alright.
get him.
All
I'll
right,
be around
I'm
if
pumped.
you need me. What am I saying? Of course you need me.
I don't like you.
I don't like you either.
I got mail. You can use that to buy gifts, food, and drinks. Alright. We can buy gifts. Can we do that?
Hold on. See how much stuff costs first.
Oh my gosh!
Alright.
I don't know what this girl would like.
Probably sports stuff, but get her some cigarettes.
An independent woman.
Get her some cigarettes. Don't
Poor
buy
party
cigarettes.
girl.
Don't buy cigarettes.
For a Japanese woman.
Maracas.
For Latina.
Alright.
Is she Latina? I can't tell.
I don't know. We need to find out more.
Alright. Check her profile. Yeah, she is Latina.
Alright then. That's racist.
Alright. Obviously she'll like maracas then.
That's super racist, game.
And let's buy a gift. A puzzle cube! Check her profile. Talent, romance, fitness.
Alright, so when you date this girl, you gotta go for the talent ones.
Yeah. She'll like sweatbands though. We don't have enough money. Oh no, that's a dancer thing. Fitness, yeah, water bottle.
Super cheap. Alright, whatever.
Alright.
We need more money.
Talk with her.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah?
What's your favorite color?
That's not lame. I like blue. Like a deep ocean blue.
Wow, okay. You're wearing blue.
Let me ask you something. Do you think...
Do you think it's okay to tell little white lies?
Follow your heart, Zero.
No, a lie is a lie.
I couldn't agree more. There's no good excuses to...
There are tons of excuses to lie to people. What's wrong with you? I come up with excuses to lie to people every day.
Yeah. Alright, first date. Let's not screw this up.
Aw, this is so cute. What a neat idea.
No. Alright then.
Okay, she likes talent.
And avoid romance.
Alright.
Do this, Zero. Believe in you.
Alright. No pressure. Pink is romance, right?
I think so.
We need more red! Can't fit it anywhere, though. Here. Okay.
There's not enough talent.
Yeah, there really isn't. There's more red!
Yes, more red. Red fixes everything.
Alright. I had to make a sacrifice.
I understand. Times like these, in red-free times like these, nothing makes sense anymore.
More red! Oh.
So much red. Talent. So talented.
At least I'm not on a timer.
Yeah, I was expecting a timer, honestly, when this first popped up.
Yeah. They're like, hey, oh no, we can't have that. Alright. It's pretty easy. This is enjoyable.
Instant gratification.
Alright. I think this is easy, but it's really not.
Hold on a second. You do have a timer. You have a certain amount of moves.
Oh. Poop.
Talent.
Sweet!
You have 6 moves.
Okay. Gotta think this through carefully.
4 moves. God, nowhere near each other.
Red!
It's 3 moves. God, we gotta focus on the talent.
I bet somebody who's watching this can find better answers here, but...
Why?
Yes!
Yes, maybe. We're still gonna lose.
120?
Yeah. We're just gonna turn everything into passion tokens.
Alright. Let's turn it. I don't know where to go.
There's nothing we can... Just go for whatever points you think you can get. There's nothing we can do at this point. Yeah, do that. That's all we got. Fail.
I'm tired.
I want to redo. Now that we know what we're fucking doing.
We need to come back and get more stuff. We got money now, so we can do things.
Zero, you need to work on your pimp game. That was
every day on is going to be more challenging than the last. If you don't improve your traits... Oh, we can upgrade ourselves. Alright.
Day supply of vitamin C. Traits.
Alright. So
We only have... We can't upgrade any of this right now.
Yeah.
Did you want to say something?
Stop giving me messages. What is your birthday?
March 16th.
This game doesn't have a calendar. Well, yes, it does. Does it? I don't know. I don't care.
Let's go find this chick.
Yeah, go ahead. We need more. We need the experience. Go.
Okay, have a super awesome day.
Have a super awesome day, Zero.
Yeah, super awesome.
What in God's name have you gotten me into?
I don't know.
Oh, Miss Yumi. I'm glad I ran into you.
Okay.
Have you had a chance to grade our exams yet?
What's in that pose?
Remind me what that was on again?
It's really exaggerated.
The conservation of whatever you call it.
Oh, yeah. I think those are on my desk. Somewhere.
Oh, okay. Do you know when you might be able to get them back to us?
I'm not sensing the tsundere from
Next
this
week,
blonde-haired
probably.
girl.
It's a trap.
I'm sure you
Just
did
wait.
fine, Tiffany.
She's a trap?
You think?
Not that
I
kind
hope
of
so.
trap.
I don't know. I was having trouble with some of the
You
material.
know what I'm talking about, audience.
Do you know what
Not
we're going
that
over
kind of
next
trap.
week?
I'd like to get ahead of start this time.
Next week? I don't know yet. Actually, I have a pounding headache right now. Can we do this later, please?
Yeah,
Wow,
okay.
what a horrible
Sorry
teacher.
to bother you, Miss
Yeah.
Yumi.
No, it's fine.
I think
Talk to you
the
later.
girl in Twin Tails is a smart type, so
Whoa.
ready for that.
Is this chick serious? That schoolgirl uniform is a little on the nose, don't you think? She's cute, though. Blonde, too, so, bonus points.
Okay.
This is your classic
Hey,
girl next
Ken
door
doesn't discriminate whether they're
She's
blonde or
nice,
whatever.
so
He doesn't
don't
care.
say anything
As
to
long
scare
as
her
they're a
off.
living
But
female.
don't be afraid to take a chance.
All right, Zero. No, don't go with the bottom two. She's smart and responsible.
I sure do. You go past the building here and take a left at the fountain. You can't miss it. I haven't seen you around here before. Are you starting this semester?
Really?
Oh God, I wish.
I'm thinking about it.
Of course. This place is awesome. My professors are the
I'm
best.
teaching here. They call me Professor Handsome. God, I wish we could have said that. Be responsible. So number two, gotta be responsible. Be responsible.
But
Trust
this one.
That's a dick thing to say.
No, don't worry about it. I'm all done with classes for now.
And normally
My name is
I am
Tiffany,
a
by
dick,
the way.
but we're trying
It's
to
nice
win
to meet
here.
you.
This is to win.
You seem
There
like
you
a
go.
cool guy.
Yay!
Hopefully I'll see you around campus.
You know what? I don't want to talk to you though. You bore me.
You don't know that yet. You gotta get some points here. We need the money.
I want to ask you something. Have you ever done any drugs?
I've never touched the stuff.
Oh, really?
You kidding? I'm gonna do some right now.
Oh, she was disappointed by that.
Hold on. Check her profile. We need to find some stuff.
Raves. What?
Alright.
She's into raves? Change style?
We can choose this shit? Alright.
She likes raves and scuba. Okay. She's a cheerleader.
So whenever you do this one, don't go for the red ones. She doesn't like the red ones.
What do you want to know about me?
What's your favorite color?
Pink all day.
Hot pink, I like. Okay.
Alright.
She's
We do not have the money to spend on more gifts.
No, this doesn't cost money. This costs the pink thing.
Oh.
From talking to her. So she likes breakfast foods. Get her a bagel. Here, shove this down your throat.
So good. Something on your mind?
Just accept this random bagel from this stranger.
It's not laced
I'm
with
20
roofies
years
or
old.
it's not laced with roofie dust or anything at all.
Yeah. Oh.
What's shaking, bacon?
Oh
Okay.
God! Why did
She
you
just like,
guys?
what's chicken bacon? I can't. Not with her.
It's cool.
Right, Tiffany. She just said shaken bacon. I gotta go somewhere else. I can't. I mean, it's like, Let's go see the teacher lady. We'll come back to you.
Eventually.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Zero doesn't seem too excited about it right now. To your last statement.
Oh.
Good morning, Aiko.
Oh, hey, Belly.
What's wrong? Seems like something's bothering you.
Yeah, life.
Life.
How are classes going?
I don't think that's an
I don't wanna talk
that's
about
appropriate
that.
dress for a teacher. Just gonna say that now.
I think I have
You shut
just
your
the
mouth.
thing. I'm headed to the
It's
beach to work
perfectly
on a few poses.
acceptable
You should join
attire
me.
for a teacher.
Nothing like a little exercise to melt that stress away.
Not today. I'm just not feeling it.
Will I at least be seeing you this weekend at the studio?
I'll be there.
But yeah,
I don't
Twin
think I
Tails
have
was
anything else
bothering
going
me.
on
She
for
was
once.
Great. Can't wait.
Just a bit.
See you there.
Dude, bro, Asian chicks? Don't even get me started. I had
Alright.
like the worst case of yellow fever ever.
Wow.
Wow.
Ever. Like
Okay.
a yellow plague.
Okay.
This is a tough approach. She's kind of in a shitty mood, so say something stupid to try and cheer her up. It doesn't matter what. The stupider, the better.
I can do stupid.
These birds, all right? Birds.
No,
birds?
I like the birds.